Hello! Welcome back to ESL Universe. I'm Kalita, and today we are talking about the V sound. V is a very challenging letter sound for many speakers of other languages. This is because the V sound does not exist in many languages such as Korean, Arabic, Cantonese, and Mandarin. The good news is that V is actually very similar to the F sound in terms of mouth position. So just like the F sound, we put our top teeth onto our bottom lip. The difference is that V is a voiced sound, where F is an unvoiced sound. That means that for the F sound, we hold it a little bit more lightly against our bottom lip, while for the V sound, we actually kind of push our teeth down into our bottom lip a little bit. When you make the V sound correctly, you should feel a vibration on your tongue as well as on your throat. If you say the V sound correctly and you practice it a lot, your bottom lip is going to start feeling a little bit funny because of all the vibrations. Let's try it together. V. Notice that my top teeth touched onto my bottom lip, and then I had to force the air between my teeth and lip, resulting in a vibration sound. Try to put your hand on your throat this time. V. Can you feel the vibration? If not, that's okay, but keep practicing. Try to push just a little bit harder down, and you should start to feel that vibration soon. One of the tricky things is that in English there are many exceptions to the rule. For the V sound, a common one is that usually you need to see the V in a word in order to have the V pronunciation. The word of in English is spelt with an F. However, we actually pronounce it with the voiced V sound, of. Pay attention to exceptions like this to make sure that your pronunciation is correct. If a native English speaker hears the F sound, off, they're more likely to think that you are referring to the preposition off than of. V can be located at the beginning, middle, and end of a word, like most other sounds. However, it is very unusual to actually end with a V spelling in English. In English, there are certain letters that we don't like to end the spelling of a word with, and V is one of them. For that reason, we add a silent E, remember that bossy E rule, to the end. We don't actually say the silent E, it just changes the spelling so that we don't end the word with the V. Let's try some practice words with the V sound. Van, vow. Can you feel your lip vibrating? If you're not sure, you can always try to put your hand onto your throat, and that can help you when you are trying to say the sound correctly. Vibrant. Can you feel it now? Let's try some more. Vile. Very. Verb. Void. Vote. Vine. Veto. 7. Activity. River. Never. Service. Mischievous. flavor, relevant, level, survive, forgive, dove. Notice the silent E at the end of these words now. Have, above, improve, love, give, live, 12, achieve. How are you feeling with your V sound? Don't forget that you can always play the video again to have more practice with this tricky V sound. I usually recommend waiting 1 or 2 days and then trying again. You should be watching these videos at least 3 times to make sure that over the course of a week, you keep reminding yourself of the correct pronunciation. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.